Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session we would learn how to solve the practice problem times 2 words. So basically for finding this problem you need to go to the filter section, choose difficulty as school, then you need to find the problem time 2 words. Okay, once you find the problem you need to click on solve. Okay, so let's solve the question. Okay, here is the problem. Let's read it. Given a time in the format hour, minute, 12-hour format. Okay, basically the task is to convert it into words. Okay, they have helped you by giving you some test cases. Let's see. 6 o'clock should be written like this. 6 past 10. So that should be written as 10 minutes past 6. Okay, this is quarter past 6, half past 6, quarter to 7. Okay, that is the next time that would be coming, 13 minutes to 7. Okay, so these are some of the test cases that you need to write. Okay, now basically for this question, first this is just an example for 6, right? You need to do it for all the numbers between 0 to 12, right? So let's start. See, first 0, this is a list. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, I have gone till 29. Okay, because see, basically I even need time limits, right? Like 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 15 minutes. So for that I have gone till 29. Okay, now if m is 1 minute, let me clean this. Okay, now if m is equal to 0, okay, that means return, you need to join that it is 0 o'clock, okay. And then elif, if m is equal to 1, then you need to write 1 minute past, okay. Basically 0 means that it is like 6:00, so that means it is exactly 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 3 o'clock, whatever is the time. Now if I say elif m equal to 1, that means 6 past 1 minutes. Okay, so that is 1 minute past. Okay, let's move forward. Let me scroll down a little. 1 minute. Let me zoom it like this, so it would be easy. Okay, so now let's see the next thing. Okay, next is m equal to 59. Okay, so now over here it should be 1 minute too. Like basically 59 is like almost another hour is starting, right? Like 6:59 means that 7 o'clock is just around the corner, right? So that is why plus 1 over here. Okay, elif equal to 15, that is quarter past, that was the test case. Equal to 30, that is half past. Okay, 45 is quarter to, that means upcoming hour. Okay, then it is less than 30, that means minutes past. Like basically it could be 10 minutes past, 20 minutes past, whatever is the time. Because if you remember, I have done till 29, right? Then next is greater than 30, then it should be 60 minus minutes, okay? Like how many minutes are remaining? Like 20 minutes are remaining for 7 o'clock or 25 minutes are remaining for 7 o'clock. So till 29, it would be like 1, 2, 3 like that. But after 30, then it would be like, 20 minutes till 7. 30 minutes, not 30, like 15 minutes till 7. Okay, so these are all the test cases that I have added using if-else condition. I hope this is clear to you. Now I need to check if the solution is correct or not. So I would click on 1 minute. I would click on compile and run. Let's wait. The compilation is completed. My output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the given problem. Okay. The problem is solved successfully, and this is how you solve the practice problem time 2 words. I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have enjoyed the video, make sure you click on the like button and subscribe our channel. And thank you for joining me today. Thank you.